video I'm gonna show you the final finished product of installing this bullnose corner. As you guys can see, this is just a round bullnose corner instead of using the metal corner for a sheetrock. The metal corner is just an older style. Now what everybody's using is just this bullnose corner, and this is how it's supposed to look. See, on this right here, if you have the bullnose corner, as you guys can see, it's round. So what you're gonna have to do is just cut your sheetrock in an angle all the way down, because this one, it's not like the metal corner that sits like an L. This one, it's got a little curve. So like I said, you guys are gonna have to cut your sheetrock in an angle just a little bit. And then what I like to do is use staples every, like, I would say every 3 inches or so, all the way down in both sides. This side and this side. Set your bullnose corner, and that's all you do. Instead of using screws, like sheetrock screws, I use staples, and it secures the bullnose corner perfectly good. And that's all you do. There's nothing to it. So if you guys like this video, just subscribe to my channel or make a comment, and I will try to answer them for you as much as I can. But this is the final bullnose corner project.